Welcome to our instructional video on how to factor the quadratic expression x squared plus 15x plus 56. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of factoring this quadratic expression using a variety of methods. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to factor quadratic expressions and apply these skills. To solve similar problems, let's get started. In step 1 of solving the quadratic equation x squared plus 15x plus 56 equals 0, we begin by attempting to factor the quadratic expression. The goal is to express the quadratic trinomial as a product of two binomials. To do this, we look for two numbers that, when multiplied together, give us the constant term 56, and when added together, give us the middle coefficient, which is positive 15. By examining possible factor pairs of 56, we find that 7 and 8 meet this criterion. Hence, we can rewrite the expression x squared plus 15x plus 56 as x plus 7 times x plus 8. This alteration simplifies the equation by breaking it down into factors that are easier to solve. In step 2 of solving the quadratic equation x squared plus 15x plus 56 equals 0, we proceed by setting each binomial factor equal to 0, as the equation can now be written as x plus 7 times x plus 8 equals 0. According to the zero product property, if the product of two factors is 0, then at least one of the factors must be 0. Thus, we set each factor, x plus 7, and x plus 8, to 0 and solve for x. Solving x plus 7 equals 0, we subtract 7 from both sides, yielding x equals minus 7. Solving x plus 8 equals 0, we subtract 8 from both sides, yielding x equals minus 8. Hence, the final solutions to the quadratic equation are x equals minus 7 and x equals minus 8. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.